In today's video, we're doing an Automation First Academy review. Now, this product is awesome, without a doubt. It's by someone who I know personally, somebody I worked with a number of years ago when he was first getting started out over on YouTube. Now, this is the creator of the course. He's a young kid called Youri. Now, Youri, I first met him in 2019. He had his own YouTube channel. We worked together. Fast forward a few months, he then grew that channel to over 100,000 subscribers, which is awesome. But then what happened is, over time, Youri got a bit bored maybe of being on camera, and he looked at creating essentially cash cow channels. Now, if I scroll down here, this is over on the sales page for this product, and you can see you can actually enroll in this product at this moment in time. I'll go over the dates and the pricing with you towards the end of the video. But first of all, I want to show you some of the results from Youri, because basically, if you do not know what a YouTube cash cow channel is, it is where you outsource everything. You have all of the work done for you, and basically you just collect the money from YouTube. And you can see on here, look, you do not need to show your face. You don't have to write a script. You don't do the voiceover. You don't do anything. Essentially, you're looking at and managing a team or overseeing some team members. And over on the sales page here, you can see Youri's sharing his results with you and his income on here. And then fast forward to today, he's actually earning over $20,000 a month from YouTube automation channels. And you can see on here, after 8 months of this, he had his first $10,000 a month. 4 months later, he went up to $15,000. And today's over, well, you can see on here, look, I own multiple channels that generate $25,000 per month. And you can see on here, this was January, he earned 18,000, February 6,000 and 2,000 here, because he has numerous channels, because basically he automates one channel, it gets up to a point where it's making money, and then he does the process again and again and again. And you can see on here, look, fast forward to today, I have a team of 12 people that do everything for him, and it's earning him this amount of money a month, which sounds ridiculous, but it's absolutely possible. So what is it inside of the course? What will you be doing? Well, basically here, look, you can see it breaks down the video format. He shows you where to find a team, how to build a full video team, and this goes over the script writing, the voiceovers, the editors, thumbnails, how to automate everything, and then how to scale once you've got this up and running. And you can see here, this will enable you to work on your business, free up your time, earn a passive income, which we like on this channel, and also work wherever and whenever you like. And you can see on here, this is what's included, and then there's frequently asked questions on the page. But I just want to show you inside of the course and how it looks. But I can tell you now, all of these screenshots that you're seeing on the page here, these are all 100% legitimate. Like I said, I've known him for a number of years. I know some of his channels where he has this up and running, and he's also built up, a pretty decent following over on Facebook and Instagram and other platforms. So let's jump over here. So this is what it looks like inside of the course, and it says I'm only on 64% complete, but that is because of, you see, like here where it says start. So look, job post templates. If I come down here, look, outreach template. These are just templates. If I click on these here, it's just a template. But it doesn't give you a tick for whatever reason inside of Teachable over here. Okay, so even though I'm on it, it's still shown as not done. But this is what it looks like on the inside. So, we have a welcome message from him. There's a link to the Facebook group. And then it basically goes into this whole course. Now, I'm not going to share with you everything, but it's basically how to break down your video ideas. It then goes over pricing, and it gives you examples of, different prices for scripts, different prices for a video editor. But why I like this course and I'm recommending it to you guys is, if I come down here as well, we'll go over this here. So how to find your team. So he shares with you the best platform, but then he also goes on, literally, it breaks it all down into really simple and easy to follow along with videos. So how to create a job post. He walks you through the whole concept. He shows you his actual job posts that he's done previously on the platform and some of his existing ones. If I then come down here, it goes over, how to choose prospects, what you should be saying, what you shouldn't be saying, and then it goes into freelancers. Come down here, it gives you templates for this as well. So basically, he gives you everything that he's using in his own $20,000. It sounds ridiculous, doesn't it? $20,000 a month. He gives you the templates that he's using it himself. He also covers how to approve or deny people who you want to work with. But so this is all the good stuff. But then what I really like about this is this section here, the how to scale section, and the workflow here of how to set all of this up, how to make sure everyone's all working together, and no one's missing out on anything, nobody's behind on their work. This workflow here, it just helps you to automate the whole process. So if you are interested in having a YouTube cash cow channel whereby you simply are getting other people to do all of the work for you, then this course will show you everything. It gives you the templates on here, there's a Facebook group, and lots more. Now in terms of this and the pricing, how much does it cost? Well, believe it or not, this course is only open for a couple of weeks. Now we can see on here, look, the pricing is as follows. It's 247 during the launch weekend. As soon as it turns the 11th of April, the price then jumps up to 297. But then after that, it closes. So on April the 16th, the course goes away. You will not be able to enroll in this course after this time as well. So basically, if you want to get involved with this, you need to jump in to get the best price possible before the 11th of April. So that will be, well, when you're watching this video will be on before the 11th, where is it, the 9th, that will be today. And then on the 11th, it goes up to 297. And then if you are interested and you do want to be involved, just get in before April the 16th. But basically, this is everything that Youri is doing to make money on YouTube without anything. And as you can see on here, he's literally, I can't even remember how old he is, I think he's 20 or 21. He's just a young lad who's literally living the dream by, automating YouTube channels, and he shares with you everything inside of this course, how he's doing this, how you can do this yourself, and basically the whole thing from start to finish. I like this method, I like his course, and also, it's just I'm always talking on this channel, aren't I, about building up passive incomes. We talk about YouTube channels a lot of the time, we talk about affiliate marketing, and we also talk about printables and other things. And basically anything that you can outsource and have the work done for you, this is a great addition to any passive income that you're potentially interested in. Now in terms of this course, what's missing? Well, for me personally, going through this course, there's a couple of things which are missing, and basically what he doesn't cover in a lot of detail is deciding on a category and a niche, then how to what it focuses on in this course here, it focuses on creating these channels and earning money from AdSense revenue. And that's great. But in the beginning, you want to be getting some different affiliate products whereby whilst you're waiting for your channel to start earning money, you can actually be earning money from day one. And then it doesn't also go into too much detail around uploading a video onto YouTube, your video tags, your description, thumbnails, and all of this stuff. It's basically about outsourcing the whole work. So if you do go ahead and get this course here, I will give you access to my course, which basically goes over everything. So you can use my course alongside Youri's course. Youri will show you how to outsource a team and get your videos built and everything. And then my course will show you how to decide on a niche, how to find products to promote, how to go down how to do keyword research, how to create thumbnails, and ultimately how you can start making money from day one. And I'll also give you access to my Facebook group, which is this one over here, whereby we're sharing about making money on YouTube. I'm sharing different things that I'm trialing and testing myself. And yeah, so look, basically this is the product. It is, where's it gone? This one over here. Oh, it's not this one, it's this one over here. It's Automation First Academy. And yeah, do I recommend it? Yes. Do I have it myself? Yes, and I've been through this. And yeah, it's just, in my opinion, it's a brilliant course for a good price. So look, if you have any comments or questions, let me know. I will leave a link to this down below. Hopefully you're watching this video before it's expired. If it has expired, then I'm sorry, there's nothing else, there's literally nothing I can do about this. But yeah, so fingers crossed, and I shall see you soon.